Hey guys, it's me again. So let's get started. I got 3 packages last week and I just want to show you guys because they're all rare squishies, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first package came last week and it was this pom-pom squishy. It's really cute and adorable. The original packager was so damaged, so I made this package by myself. It's really soft. It's so adorable. And the back is squishy as well. So there's 2 squishy stickers. It's really soft. And the seller also gave me this pom-pom plushie as well as an extra. So it's really sweet of her. So here's the back, license. So yeah. And the second package that came was this really rare steam bun. It's actually kind of light yellow color, but the camera's just changed the color, so sorry about that. Here's the back, and it's super duper squishy. Look at that. It's so soft. So yeah. And the third package, oh, actually, this one is also come from, I ordered online and it mailed from Sheffield, I think? I forgot, somewhere there. So the third package came from Japan, and same squishy seller as usual, like those rare squishy packages in my old videos came from the same seller, so yeah, she was really nice. And this time I ordered 2 Cafe Diane reproduced squishies. So which is the blue green one, kind of yellowish ice cream cone, and purple and pink. And she gave me this really tiny face bun as an extra. So here's the package, and here's the back. It's really adorable. It came with a cell phone strap and ball chain in there. So yeah, this is an extra. And so the first one is this lavender with rose marbles. Yes, rose marbles. So here's the details. It's really textured. Focus. There we go. Look at it. It's really textured. So stretchy cell phone strap. And here's the tag. It's so soft. It's really squishy. Yeah, and this is the second one. This is what's the flavor? Is it soda with lemon soda with something else? I forgot. If you want to know what flavor is that, check my Instagram because I wrote that in the caption. So yeah, I forgot. So it looks like that. This one is really squishy. It's squishier than the purple one. It's really soft, as you can see. So, yeah. I can't stop squishing it. It's really squishy. So, yep, anyway, these are all the things I have so far. I have a squishy package coming soon. I just received an email just now saying that it's depatched. Yeah, depatched. And I ordered a few more Cafe Diane squishies, popsicles, an ice cream cone, and pie chow as well. So I'm gonna make another video when I received it. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Bye.